G'day, good morning, good evening. Thanks for listening. This is a show on gardening, horticulture and agriculture, focusing on plant science, soil science and microbiology. The information is for scientific and educational purposes and fact check. And any of the websites or papers discussed will be put in the description below. If you're rewatching this back, fast forward until you see the screen change, and that's when the show started. And if it only goes for 10 odd minutes, that means it's a short show and there wasn't any topics or questions or anything to discuss. So that's why it was short. And I'm going to give it the usual till 2 minutes for folk to arrive, just like 420 Fred says, hey 420 Fred, which is another 60 seconds. It goes fast, doesn't it? 50 seconds now. Wow. .40. 30 seconds to go. Seconds, and I'm waiting for suggestions actually, because today's got no topic. So if you've got anything that you can think of that's plant science, soil science or microbiology focused, please put it into the chat, because I'll be looking for topics for today to rearrange the stream, and actually for next week, but I'm just going on to for today. So to the few people that are watching, thanks for watching. And I hope that you can think about something to do with plant science, soil science and microbiology. And I can show some slides and we can have some discussion on it. That would be good. And if this doesn't happen, oh well, that means everybody's happy with their progress in their areas. I find it hard to ramble. I can talk about, I've taken industrial microbiology this semester. I thought I'd sign up for it because of the production of single cell production and spirulina. There's a whole 40-minute lecture on spirulina. So that interests me because I fed belch culture spirulina, Arthrospira plantensis. So it'd be good to see what they've got to say about it. So I'm looking forward to that soon. If you're listening to this, please put what in chat. Anything to do with plant science or science and microbiology, or the show is going to end in a few minutes, which is all right. I haven't had short shows for ages. Yes, and the industrial microbiology should be good for that reason. I'm just taking it just for the factors to learn up in a few different areas of special interest, and I look forward to it. And here's another course that I thought, well, I've had it on my books to take for years, and it's the science of happiness. And I look forward to some topics in that look really interesting. So I thought I'd take that one too. Because, it's very easy to be negative, but it's hard to look for the positives. As who was that? Say Chris, no, what's his name? Kevin Hart said that. 5 minutes. I got to ramble another 5 more minutes. What can I talk about? The weather's always changing. IPM on the Northern Hemisphere, it's got to be full on at the moment because you're in midsummer. So it's hot. So you'll be getting all bugs, all dry problems, all deficiency problems because of the weather and the environment. Something to look out for. I thought I'd change the stream to a little bit earlier now because I've been missing a few people. So if people don't see it for the next couple of weeks, it's unfortunate, but I just thought I'd do that because through the comments through the week, people have been commenting that they keep missing the stream. And daylight savings changes all the time, and it pushes things back and brings things forward, so it's hard to adjust. So I thought I'd just, that's been happening in the last few. So I thought I'd just go and do that for the next month or so, bring the stream forward a bit. And I don't know if you like the cricket, but I do. And cricket's nearly finished in the States. I want to focus on plant science, soil cycles, and microbiology, though, if I can, and I've got no topics to talk about. So if you're really watching this back, please suggest in the comments for different topics, and yeah, I can discuss that in next week's or the week after, if there's been nothing. Because my uni starts in 2 weeks' time, and I'm going full-time again, which is 4 subjects. I think I'm actually taking 5. But yeah, so I won't have any spare time at all. But I can always try and make time, because I enjoy doing these shows. Because the information that I get is, it just works really, really well from putting it to tests. That's why I really like to share it. And from hearing the people in Australia talk, the professionals in Australia talk, I can't believe, I'm not putting down all professionals, just some, and the results I get from other farmers that you see, and it's amazing. I don't know, people have done a few YouTube courses and they go out and start and be agronomists. But anyway, not here to disprove or anything. Science does that. This is about education. And enjoying the plant science, soil science, and microbiology that we love, or that I love anyway. And I think I'm leaning more so towards microbiology than plant science, even though I enjoy the plant science because it's good fun mixing the genes to try and bring out different hybrids or adaptations in the genetics is pretty cool too. But the microbiology, it's forever changing. Actually, I shouldn't go talking about microbiology. This stream will go on. All right, 2 minutes left. So anything you want to write, put it in now, please. Because yeah, microbiology is it's new to science. It's 99% of the microbes haven't been discovered yet. It's not much is known about it in that sense. And yet you can manipulate everything, and it controls us. It controls plants. It controls everything. Like, what? No, we don't know nothing about it. Well, that interests me to topics to study more. See, I've got a couple of microbiology subjects this semester. Environmental, food and dairy microbiology, and the industrial one. It's going to be great. Very good. I can share more of those. I really liked the last couple of months how I've been reviewing the courses, going through the lecture slides. Excuse me. That's enjoyable. And that's, I hope, a few people found that beneficial, I suppose. So I enjoy doing that, and I can do that again in a few months' time. Of these new microbiology courses, again, see how we can get microbes to work for us in our different environments that we all have across the planet. It's very cool. Whilst improving the environment, yeah, being sustainable. Add that bit. We'll do the sustainable organic practices to build a soil, improve the environment. Well, 10 minutes. Well, I'm struggling here, as you can hear, for stuff to talk about. So I'm going to have to, if you can think of anything, please hold it till next week then. And I'll be doing the show again next week. I'll be coming this a little bit earlier again for the next month or so. And I hope to see you then. And in the cricket, go the Texas Super Kings. Because Mark Stoinis is in it. So it's pretty good. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for listening if you listened. But short show. And happy breeding, happy growing, and good health to you all. Thank you, and bye-bye.